In this video I'll be showing you step by step how to make rap music inside of Suno AI. It is super simple to do, so the first thing you need to do is log into your account on suno.com, and if you don't already have an account, then you can sign up for one. It is free. Then from here, when you've done that, you need to go over to the create button over here, and you need to turn on the instrumental, or if you want to create a song, you can also do that by going up to custom. Then from here, you just need to go down to the song description, where you need to select in some prompts. If you don't already have some prompts, I have a couple of them linked in the description down below. They are all free, so let's write something. Let's say it should be rap music, of course. It should be hype, should be turntable, drum machine, bass guitar, 4/4, and let's say 95 beats per minute. Then from there, you just simply need to click create, and now the process or the AI will create this beat for you. And this can take anywhere between a couple seconds to a couple minutes depending on your Wi-Fi connection. And when it's done, we can listen through a couple seconds of one of the songs to really hear if it is hip-hop or rap music. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!